Are you new to our channel? So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to Smart and press the bell icon on to get all instant updates. And if you're watching a video, don't forget to like the video and comment in our video. Thank you. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be seeing top 5 amazing apps. Actually, it's top 4 amazing apps. And if you watch the video until the end, you'll get a bonus app. So come, let's go on to the video and see all the top 5 cool apps which you can use in an Android. So the first app is called Linux CLI Launcher. So when you open the app, you get an interface like this. It looks like your mobile is reading the data and all those things. It will show all the percentage and all those things. But when you type any app here like Play Store, yeah, it's that app only. If I type the Play Store and if you open it, you get the app. It will redirect you to the Play Store. So this app is very cool. It's really like a launch app, and many people may think that you may hack all those things. Very cool app. So the next one you're gonna have is the AR Moscow City. So this app is nothing but making a 3D visual app. So first, when I open this app, it asks some permissions, and now it allows the language. So when I press the language like this, I am gonna open the app. So it's loading, and it may take a few seconds to load. So after when it takes 100%, it will ask you some instructions or steps. So here is the actually marker like this. So what you have to basically do in this app is take another mobile like this and show the marker, like show the photo what was shown first at the starting. So I'm gonna just show how it happens. Like I have the photo in my another mobile, and now you can see in the camera on my mobile how it's coming like a 3D visual building of Moscow City. So you can really use it in your app and see this is the marker which I was telling, or this is the photo. Put your another mobile and you have to just shoot it like this. So what really happens in your mobile is you can get like buildings. I can't really believe this app. So it sucks in my mobile, but if you use in your mobile, it may really come as true as possible and so beautiful. So the next one you're gonna have is the Muse. So listening to the app name, don't think it's a messaging app. It's basically a camera app. So when you open this app like this, at the right bottom you get a circle like this, right? Just you have to press that, and here you get like many colors. You could take photos like that. So here another feature of it is when you come above like this, you get the photos or the interface how the people were shooting in 1920s, 1910. So the camera or 1910 was looking like this, and 1920, 1930 like this, 1940. So at 1950 the color was introduced, and you could see how nicely it comes. This app is very useful. Not only that, you may get more features here, like all the focusing and all those things. Here you may get focusing vignette like that, making the white or black at the edges. No, that's really cool app. And this is autofocus app, and you could see at 1980 how the frame actually look. So this app is really beautiful. You can shoot even cinematic videos using this app. A beautiful and wonderful app. The next one you're gonna have is a live wallpaper, not wallpaper, wallpaper. So what is this wallpaper app is? You can just use the app like this, shaking your mobile, and the water flow away like this. And you could really see how water, when you shake the mobile like this, water goes there, water comes here, water goes, water comes. This is really a beautiful app. And when you set it as a wallpaper, because of the sensors, due to sensors, and it flows. So it asks you some permission, you could accept it, and the water flows. You could see whenever I turn. When you give it to your friends, they may be surprised or they may get shocked while seeing this. So you have come to the end of the video, and this is the bonus app you're gonna get. So this app is called Croc, and now you open this app, you get an interface like this, and now you're just gonna shout at me like a hell. You may ask me, really? Are you kidding me on all those things? But never ever I'm going to do that. So whenever you open this app, you could just press the center of the clock and it asks you to set a time. So when you set a time, it will ask you to re-enter the password. Okay. Set the app. So after you go inside the app, what will happen is just it will show the normal time being run, and when you press the center of the button, the clock, all the needles in the clock go to 0 and you could set a password. So after setting your password, if you basically go inside the app, after you set the password, if you go inside, you could see all photos, videos which you're gonna save. So you can go to the 3 grids on the right side and press it, and you can select which image you want to keep it secretly. So this image won't be shown to anyone else who are reading your normal gallery or who are seeing your normal gallery. So these are some of the secret images you can keep, okay? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Signing up is Santosh Kumar. Take me to the next video. So if you like all these apps, the link is in the description. You should go and download it, okay?